Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run a GitHub project in Windows. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing that you will be needing is to have Git installed. So you can simply go to Git, just click on Git and not GitHub. So you will be needing just Git as the service. And from here, you will be needing just to go to the downloads and make sure you have the Windows. And you click download for Windows, you install it, etc. And then you will start having a Git bash. After that you have installed Git, you will be needing just to have your online editor, I mean your Windows editor. So uh, it can be either uh, here VS Code or IntelliJ or Eclipse or whatever was the editor that you are using. And basically, all they will have a similar feature of cloning repositories since it is widely used. And basically, in my case, I'm just going to use VS Code and simply you will need just to go to source control. So make sure that you have closed any projects, and here in my case I'm not opening any projects. And as you can see, I have already many options, create a Java project, etc. But we are only interested of uh, source control. So make sure to go to the source control, and from here I'm just going to click on clone repository. And as you can see here, I have two options. Either I can clone from GitLab or from GitHub. So in my case, I'm just going to choose from GitHub. And basically here, I already signed up. So after that, VS Code will require you to sign in to your GitHub account so it can find all your remote repositories. And in my case, I'm just going to choose this one. You choose the local path where you want to have your projects, and you click select as repository destination, and then you will be able to open up your GitHub project there. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.